Hello, Iwichi. Uh, do you have any brother? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any sister? No, I do not have any sister. What are you happy? I like reading and playing sport. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Pizza. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Thank you.